Dear Sri Lankan, we as members of Janahanda Foundation meet London mayoral candidate Mr. Sadiq Khan. Janahanda Foundation membership consists of different kind of people come from various backgrounds, from different walks of lives. On behalf of Janahanda Foundation and on behalf of Sri Lankans living in London, we pose these few questions to London mayoral candidate for Labour Party, Mr. Sadiq Khan. Mr. Sadiq Khan, what is your priority for London?
Well, firstly, Ayaban, Mama Sadiq Khan, and I'm running to be the mayor of London. London is the greatest city in the world. It enabled me to go from a council estate to helping run a successful business, to being a minister attending cabinet, and now running to be the mayor of London. But there are too many Londoners missing out on the chances that I had. I want to ensure that Londoners today can have their potential fulfilled like me and my family did. That's why I'm running to be the mayor of London.
Mr. Sadiq Khan, what kind of benefit would you bring to all communities in London?
Well, London is a great city, but too many Londoners are being priced out of our city because of the housing crisis. The ordinary Londoners can't afford to live in London anymore. I've got a plan to tackle the housing crisis so that more than half the new homes that are built are genuinely affordable. There's also a big issue in relation to the cost of public transport. Fares have gone through the roof. I'm going to freeze fares for the next 4 years with a fully costed plan to do so. I'm also going to support businesses to grow and expand, to flourish and thrive, and be a mayor who supports them and make our city safer and healthier by bringing back neighbourhood policing and tackling air pollution. But you know, the great thing about London is the different communities. They could be of Sri Lankan origin, they could be Christian, Sinhalese, Tamil, they could be Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, people who aren't a member of organised faith. We don't simply tolerate each other, we respect each other, and I want to be a mayor for all Londoners. Voting takes place this Thursday on May the 5th. Voting ends at 10 PM on Thursday. Please make sure you use your right and vote on Thursday. Vote for me, Sadiq Khan, to be a mayor for all Londoners.
Yeah, Mr. Sadiq Khan, finally, I would like to thank you on behalf of all the Sri Lankan living in London and on behalf of our membership. Thank you very much for your time.